Hi, so let's have another problem. LeetCode 1281 subtract the product and the sum of the of given integer. So it says like if you have given an integer and return the difference between the product of its integer digits and the sum of its digit. So the test cases are like 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 6 into 4 is 24. 24 minus 4 plus 3 7 plus 9, 24 minus 9 is 15. Okay, and then 4 4 2 1 16 into 2 is 32 into 1 32 minus 4 8 10 11. 32 minus 11 is 21. Okay, so for this I'm thinking to use, first let me create the list. Okay, so list of digits will be int of I for I in str of n, because n is an integer, so we have to convert it to a string because integer is not iterable. Now we have the digits. Now we can return and we can reduce the using lambda x comma y. What to return is x into y for digits, and then sum of the digits, right? Yes. Okay, reduce is not okay. So reduce, we have to import from func tools, import reduce. Okay, let's try now. 15. Let's submit. So cool. This you might want to read about reduce and lambda, but it was pretty simple. Hope you enjoyed and see you in the next video.